Hello, everyone. My name is Kiana Kirby, and I'm part of the College Readiness team here at Jersey City Public Library. Today, we'll be discussing Common Application, also known as Common App. So what is Common App and how does the Common App work? The Common Application is a single online college application form used by 700 colleges and universities. So instead of filling out the same general information, like your address and your GPA a bunch of times, you only have to do it once. The Common App dashboard also helps you track necessary application documents, like your letters of recommendation and important deadlines. How much does the Common App cost? The platform itself is free to use, but every college charges their own application processing fee. What are the Common Application essays? You'll submit one essay through Common Application for all your schools. Some colleges may ask you to also answer a few supplemental questions. When is the Common App due? Your application deadline depends on whether you are applying early decision, which is typically November 1st, or regular decision, which is typically January 1st. Deadlines also vary by school, so please check the dates for every college you are applying to. To see those dates, go to the Common App's college profiles. So, how do you use Common App to apply for colleges? Step 1, you need to create a Common App account. An email address is required. You'll be prompted to create a login and password and answer a few questions. Next, you need to confirm which of the schools on your list accept the Common App application. Not all schools accept the Common App. Next, review the admission information for every school you are considering. Please keep in mind that Common App schools have different writing, testing, essay, and letter of recommendation requirements. Next, you'll need to gather all the information you'll need, such as your high school transcript, a list of your extracurricular activities, and information about your parent or guardian's educational background. Now you're all ready to start working on your application. Your application dashboard will show you all your colleges and the status of each component of your application. You'll be able to track the status of your application by checking the Common App dashboard as well. Finally, you're ready to submit. Submit all your application materials by 11:59 a.m. Please be sure to check your local time zone on the deadline date posted in your Common App dashboard. So please, 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 when you're using Common App, make sure to keep an eye on your dashboard. All right, this pretty much sums up everything from my presentation, but I'll give you a rundown on everything we discussed today. In order to use Common App, you guys can click the link below here at commonapp.org/apply/first-time students. Please be sure to gather all the materials you'll need in order to do the Common App, like your transcript, your GPA, and your parent or guardian's information. Create an account, add the different colleges you want to apply to, engage with their supporters, understand the requirements each college is asking for, plan ahead for your essays, and then you're all set to submit your application. Here's an example of finding a college using Common App. So I'm going to exit out and show you how to use Common App. When you go to commonapp.org, this is the interface you guys will see. I'm just going to scroll down just so you get a nice look at the website. A bunch of different tabs and information you can check out. I'm going to go up to the top and click Sign In. Click First Year Student. All right. I already have an account set up. And now we're in our College Common App dashboard. If you all notice at the top, it says Practice Account. This will not be at the top of your account. This is only at the top of my account because I applied for a Common App account as an educator. And I wanted to be able to show you guys what it looked like. So if you see the very first thing you have here are your tabs. You have a dashboard tab, a My Colleges tab, a Common App, College Search, and the Financial Aid Resources tab. If you see our dashboard, you see that I started applying for Montclair State University and NJCU University. And you can see the status here, it says in progress. I just want to click it just so you see some of that stuff we were talking about earlier. So for Montclair State University, you have the application deadlines here. Their early action deadline is December 1st. Their spring rolling admission deadline is March 1st, 2021. And if you scroll down here, you can see the profile for Montclair State University. You see their deadlines, you see their scholarship information, you see their application fee, which is $65. You see their information for standardized testing. You see everything you need to know about the school that you're applying for. You also have the Common App personal essay option here. I'm gonna go and click NJCU so you see another example. For NJCU, if you guys wanted to apply for the spring, the deadline would be December 1st, 2020. For fall 2021, the deadline will be June 1st, 2021. Here's some other deadline information here for this profile. If you guys can see here, the application fee for NJCU is different from the price for Montclair State University. Is $50 here. You see the standardized test policy is slightly different for NJCU as well. So again, please keep in mind when you guys are adding colleges that you want to apply to, check out the processing fee for them and check out what else is required from each school because it varies depending on the school you're applying to. I'm going to click Common App. This is the tab that you have to fill out. This is all your information that the colleges need to receive. They need to have your contact information, your address, your family and education information. All the information needed for an application is in this tab here. So please be sure to fill this out carefully. With College Search, you'll be able to add various colleges. Let's take a look here. Let's see what college from New Jersey we can add. Let's add Ramapo and see if it pops up. So Ramapo College of New Jersey is a college that uses the Common App. If I wanted to, I can add it. And now it's on my list of colleges. Let's see if Rutgers is here. Rutgers is not here. So now this is where we go back to the beginning of the presentation. Again, Common App may or may not have the colleges you're trying to apply to. So when you're using Common App, please just devise a list of all the colleges you want to apply to, check the college search bar and see if they accept Common App. If not, you'll just have to use the regular paper application. So I'm going to remove all my filters. I'm going to click the Financial Aid Resources tab just so you see what it has to offer. I'm going to scroll down slowly. So Common App does offer some information on FAFSA, and that's pretty handy to keep in mind. And I'm going to scroll down so you guys can see the Apply Financial Aid tab. If you notice here, all three of these colleges are from my college list, so they kind of make it easy for you to apply for your financial aid through that tab, depending on what colleges are on my college list. So it's nice to have everything in one specific area. I'm going to go back to the dashboard. If any of you need any help or any instructions on how to use Common App, you guys have a tab here on your right side of the screen where you can reach out to the Common App tech desk and they'll give you some help. All right, and that pretty much sums up my presentation for today. Thank you all for watching. And again, if you have any questions regarding any college readiness tips, any resources, please feel free to visit jclibrary.org and go on our College Readiness Team landing page. Thank you and have a good day.